this is a worker table, and in this table there is the joining date. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to extract this year, month and day from this table, and how to play with this joining date. Okay, so let me extract the year first. So let me get a select command, select worker underscore id and department, uh, and then joining date also you need to get the original format. Okay, so new format will be month, day, year. Okay, so uh, joining, we are going to get this from joining date column. Okay, joining date SYER from worker. So let's try. Where is the mistake? Joining date I have wrongly typed this joining. Okay, so you can see the worker id, department, and the old one was here and this is the new one. Okay, so you can see if we need to get the month, so how to do that? Just type month here, and here like you need to do month, month. Okay, you'll get the month. You can see it is February, it is June, Feb and June. Okay, January, April. And if you need to get the day, DIY, and here day. Okay, you can see 20 11 20, this is the day. Okay, so suppose we need to get the format like this, it is the YY MM and DD format. Okay, so we need to change this format also. So let's try something. Select worker underscore id and then date format. Let me get the joining date also. Joining date underscore date. Okay, and then we need to get that format. We need to use this date format option, and here we'll get the date format, and then we'll do like that, and in here you need to mention like D B. Let's try. By. Okay, bracket close from worker. Let's try and let's check again. Select worker id, joining date, date format as new format, new format. Okay, you can see it's a Feb 20 Feb. Okay, so there's no space. So what we are going to do, let me try something new. Let me give some space here and let me try. You can see the space is there, and again let me do something else. Let me put the hyphen here. Okay, so let me try. You can see 20 Feb 21. Okay, let me try something more, like if we need to do the capital Y, then let's see. Okay, so after using capital Y, its format is changed, and here let me try this capital M. You can see the full name is there. Okay, let me try capital D also. So you can see 20th February 2021. So let me only do DD. You can see single one will work. Okay, and you can play like this. whatever the things you need, you can do like that. So let me do small m, let me try. Okay, small m is there, you can also use that. And here let me do d, or let me, I need to get the month. Okay, so let me use the caps one. Okay, so this is how you can get whole things. Or if you need any help on the that format, just type help and that format. Okay, and let's play with this. This is the structure. You can if you need like this. Okay, so you have to mention like this. Okay, so if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.